Lisa, quick question. If a train is waiting and its doors are open, should I run onto it first and check the route later?
Only if your travel plan is called a surprise city tour.
That was almost my plan yesterday. I needed to meet my cousin at the Riverside Museum. The screen changed, everyone moved, and I suddenly forgot all my English.
What did you want to ask?
I wanted to know if the train stopped near the museum.
Then today's golden question is perfect. Does this train go to Riverside?
Does this train go to Riverside?
Exactly. For a bus, say, does this bus go to the museum? One clear frame works for both.
What will we practice today?
By the end, you can buy a ticket, ask about the fare, check a bus or train route, find the right platform or stop, understand a simple change, and confirm where to transfer.
That is a full travel toolkit.
It is, but we will build it one step at a time. First, the ticket counter. Next, a city bus stop. Then, a train platform with a service change.
So the language must work when the plan changes.
Yes, real travel is not always perfect. A train can be delayed, a bus can end early, a platform can change.
Delayed means late, right?
Right. If a train is delayed, it arrives or leaves later than planned. In our story, your train is delayed by 10 minutes. You can ask, how long is the delay?
10 minutes is fine. 10 hours is a different podcast.
We will keep it short. Listen today for 3 things: your destination, the transport number, and the place where you get off or change.
Destination, number, and change point.
A destination is the place you are traveling to. Riverside Museum is your destination. You can say, Central Station is my final destination.
Listeners, think of one place you want to reach by bus or train.
Say it softly now. Does this bus go to... You do not need perfect English. You need a clear question and the courage to check.
Ticket ready, route ready, and no surprise city tour. Let us go.
Our first stop is the ticket counter. I am the ticket clerk, and you are traveling from Oak Street to Riverside.
Hello, could I have a ticket to Riverside, please?
Certainly. Would you like a single or a return?
I know single means one, but what does it mean for a ticket?
A single ticket is for one journey to your destination. In this conversation, it takes you to Riverside, but not back. You can say, a single to Riverside, please.
And a return ticket includes the journey there and the journey back.
Correct. In American English, you may also hear round-trip ticket. Today, the clerk asks, single or return?
A return, please. How much is the fare?
The fare is the money you pay for a bus or train journey. In our scene, the return fare is $12. You can ask, what is the fare to Central Station?
So price is general, but fare is useful for transport.
Exactly. The clerk says, that is $12. The next train leaves at 10:15.
Can I ask which platform I need?
Yes, a platform is the raised area beside a train where passengers wait. In our story, the Riverside train usually leaves from platform 3. You can ask, which platform does it leave from?
Which platform does it leave from?
Platform 3, but please check the departure board.
What is a departure board?
A departure board is a screen that shows leaving times, destinations, and platforms. In this station, it shows a change from platform 3 to platform 5. You can say, the new platform is on the departure board.
I should not only remember the first answer, I should check the screen too.
Good travel habit. Now let us make the full exchange.
Hello, could I have a return ticket to Riverside, please?
Certainly. That is $12.
What time is the next train?
It leaves at 10:15.
Which platform does it leave from?
Platform 3. But check the departure board before you go.
Thank you. Let me check. Return ticket 10:15 and platform 3 for now.
Excellent. That last sentence is today's conversation skill. Repeat back the important details.
Why say for now?
Because the platform may change. For now means this information is true at the present time, but it may be different later.
I can repeat the ticket type, time, and platform. That catches mistakes before I walk away.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat. A return to Riverside, please. Which platform does it leave from?
Ticket in hand. Now we are at a busy city bus stop.
You see Bus 24, but the museum name is not clear on the small route map.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the Riverside Museum?
The driver says, "It goes toward Riverside, but you need to get off at City Hall."
Get off means leave the bus or train.
Correct. In our scene, you get off at City Hall. You can ask, "Where should I get off?"
Where should I get off for the museum?
At City Hall. Then change to Bus 8.
Change means leave one bus or train and use another one.
Yes, a transfer is the act of changing from one service to another. In this route, you transfer from Bus 24 to Bus 8. You can ask, "Where do I transfer?"
Does my first ticket still work after the transfer?
Good follow-up. Ask, "Do I need another ticket?" The answer depends on the transport system, so do not guess.
Do I need another ticket for bus 8?
The driver says, "No, your ticket is valid for 90 minutes.
Valid means officially accepted and still usable.
Exactly. In this conversation, your ticket is valid on the second bus. You can say, "Is this ticket valid on the train?"
Let me repeat the route. Bus 24. Get off at City Hall, then change to bus 8.
Perfect. You caught the number, stop, and transfer.
But how do I know when City Hall is near?
Ask, "Could you tell me when we get to City Hall?" Many drivers will help if they can.
Could you tell me when we get to City Hall, please?
Very natural. You can also watch the stop display and listen to announcements.
What is an announcement?
An announcement is spoken information for a group of people. On this bus, the announcement gives the next stop. You can say, "I heard an announcement about a route change."
Announcements can be fast. What should I listen for?
Listen for the route number, the stop name, and action words such as change, delayed, or canceled.
Canceled sounds serious.
If a service is canceled, it will not run. In that case, ask, "What is the best alternative?"
Alternative means another choice.
Right. But today, our bus is running. It is simply crowded.
Crowded bus, tiny map, and one very focused English learner.
You are doing well. Now, the error clinic. Do not say, "Does this bus goes to Riverside?"
After does, use the base verb. Does this bus go to Riverside?
Do not ask, "Where I change?" Ask, "Where should I change?" Or, "Where do I transfer?"
And instead of I go down at City Hall, say I get off at City Hall.
Excellent. Listeners, write your real destination in the comments. Does this bus go to... Save this episode before your next trip and practice the question once tomorrow. Time for the station challenge. Your bus arrives at Central Station and you need the train to Riverside.
The departure board says Riverside, 10:15, platform 5. That is different from the clerk's first answer.
Good catch. A station announcement begins. Attention, please. The 10:15 service to Riverside will now depart from platform 5.
I heard the time, destination, and new platform.
Exactly. You do not need every word. Move to platform 5 and check again.
Excuse me, is this the train to Riverside?
A station worker says, "Yes, but this is an express train."
Express means it stops at fewer places and usually travels faster.
Correct. In this story, the express train does not stop at Museum Park. You need the local train.
A local train stops at more stations along the route.
Right. Ask the golden question with a more exact destination.
Does this train go to Museum Park?
No. Take the local train on the other side of the platform.
When is the next local train?
It leaves in 8 minutes, but it is delayed by 10 minutes.
How long is the delay?
About 10 minutes. The worker adds, "You can also take this express and change at City Hall."
2 choices. Wait for the local train or take the express and transfer.
Exactly. Now ask enough questions to compare them.
Which option is easier with a suitcase?
The local train is easier because you do not need to change.
Does the local train stop at Museum Park?
Yes, it does. It is the 4th stop.
Let me check. I wait here for the local train, get off at the fourth stop, and I do not need to change.
Perfect repeat back. The worker can correct you immediately if one detail is wrong.
What if the station is noisy and I only hear platform but miss the number?
Ask one focused question. Sorry, did you say platform 5? You can also say, could you repeat the platform number, please?
Sorry, did you say platform 5?
Yes, platform 5.
That is much easier than asking the person to repeat a long announcement.
Exactly. Repair only the missing part.
Can we do one full role play without stopping?
I am the station worker. How can I help?
Hi, does this train go to Museum Park?
No, this is the Riverside Express. Take the local train from platform 5.
When does it leave?
At 10:23. It is delayed by 10 minutes.
Do I need another ticket?
No, your ticket is valid on both trains.
Let me check. Platform 5, the local train at 10:23, and my ticket is valid.
Exactly. Museum Park is the fourth stop.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Well done. Clear Transport English is not about speaking quickly. It is about checking the detail that changes your journey.
We made it to Museum Park without joining the surprise city tour.
And we used one golden frame in 2 places. Does this bus go to the museum? And does this train go to Museum Park?
To buy a ticket. Could I have a return ticket to Riverside, please?
To ask about cost. How much is the fare?
To find the train. Which platform does it leave from?
To leave at the right place. Where should I get off?
To change services. Where do I transfer? And do I need another ticket?
To handle a late service. How long is the delay?
And to repair one missing detail. Sorry, did you say platform 5?
Excellent. Remember the listening triangle. Destination, number, action.
Destination is Riverside. Number is platform 5 or bus 8. Action is get off, change, wait, or move.
Exactly. Your final mission starts now. You are going to the City Science Museum. Buy a return ticket, ask for the platform, check whether the train stops there, and repeat the route back.
Here is one possible answer. Could I have a return ticket to City Science Museum, please? Which platform does it leave from? Does this train stop at Museum Station? Let me check. Platform 2, the local train, and the third stop.
Very good. Now, pause the video and change the destination, platform, and stop number.
If you need more time, take it. A careful question is better than a fast guess.
Before you travel, practice the sentence once at home. At the station, you will not need to build it from zero.
Subscribe to Basic English Stream for more slow, clear English you can use outside home.
Save this episode as your transport language card. Come back tomorrow, listen to one role play, and repeat it without reading.
Share it with a travel partner. One person can be the passenger, and the other can be the driver or station worker.
In the comments, complete this exact sentence. Does this bus or train go to?
Your route may change, but your English plan stays simple. Ask, listen, repeat, and move.
Bye-bye, and keep your English flowing.